topics at one place, and then I speak out. One subject goes another topic, it goes another topic. So I develop 50 verses about Salah, about hijab, about this, and I will talk on Quran.
Not hadith? Not hadith?
Sorry?
Not hadith?
Hadith is about Muhammad Rasulullah, right? And we have to go to Jannah because of Quran.
Quran is not fully understand if hadith is not.
I didn't read hadith. Believe me, I personally I read Bible, but I did not read hadith, but I understand Quran.
This hadith is not really Quran.
No, you read. I don't stop you reading, but understanding Quran doesn't need hadith. Allah guides.
But in Quran, Allah says explanation of
No. A perfect book explained by the perfect book. Quran is from God. He explains.
hadith also can come from by God.
What?
Hadith also come from by God.
The Bible? Bible?
Yes.
No, Bible is saying. Bible is saying. And hadith?
No.
Why not?
There is Sahih hadith.
Why not?
There is pure hadith.
The Bible you believe word of God, right? And it can change.
But there has been cancelled now.
No. So how hadith can be pure? It's a mandatory book.
How much is there is a lots of pure hadith. That's the
Okay, first the pure, first class. What about Quran? Do you know anything from Quran?
Quran says you pray Salah, but how can I pray Salah? This they explain in the hadith.
Can you wait for 1 minute? I'm driving, you see. You're walking.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Because
Okay, listen.
this discussion is a very
one
long
minute.
one.
I give you one minute answer. What is the meaning of Musalla? Musalla. You know Musalla? You know Musalla? You know Musalla or not? No. Musalla. The namaz yes. It is a place of prayer. A place of, when you put it down, in Arabic is not Musalla. It is a place of prayer. Okay? Now, there is no namaz, but there is a place.
Musalla is not mandatory to pray,
Listen,
but you can.
let me finish, brother. Then you talk. Musalla is a place of prayer where you, when you pray, the Fajr lay down. This is known as Musalla, a place of prayer, a place of prayer. So whenever I want to pray, there is a Musalla, right? So now there is no prayer. Then how is the Salah? Musalla is. وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلَّى. Take the Salah from the Maqam Ibrahim Musalla. No, listen, Maqam Ibrahim Musalla. Place of prayer of Maqam Ibrahim is there in Imam, Masjid Ram. Imam stands in Musalla. Imam stands for prayer. It is a place of prayer of Ibrahim. Maqam Ibrahim Musalla. Rabbi Ja'alni Muqim as-Salah wa min dhurriyyati. This is what Ibrahim said in the Sad. Rabbi Ja'alni Muqim as-Salah wa min dhurriyyati. Rabbana wa taqabbal du'a. ربنا اغفر لي ربنا إني أسكنت من ذريتي بواد غير ذي زرع عند بيتك المحرم. So these are the verses of what Ibrahim is also. If you go to Haram Masjid Ram, you will see the place of prayer Musalla. So the Salah is there. You know the whole world, the mosques are facing the Masjid Ram. You understand that every bosses. So prayer is going on. The Quran says in one word Musalla. 5 times a day it is practiced. With on the believers, Allah says it is written on the believers, the prayer timing. So Musalla is a place of prayer. मैं मुसल्ला पे जोर दे रहा हूँ, समझ रहे हो क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं? मगर बन गया जब वहाँ से वाले कहाँ से मुसल्ला कह रहा हूँ, मुसल्ला नमाज की जगह. तो जब नमाज की जगह कैसे हो जाएगी? ये सोचे ना आप, सिंपल बात. मैं कहूँ एयरपोर्ट तो आपके जहन में हवाई जहाज आ जाएगा. डिस्को का डिस्को आ जाएगा, वहाँ क्या होता है? तो मुसल्ला मतलब नमाज की जगह. पता ही नहीं. वो अरब हैं, अरबी जानते हैं. क्या अरबी जानते हैं? कुछ भी नहीं जानते. अगर नमाज नहीं है तो जगह कैसे है? मुसल्ला, सलात की जगह. नमाज जो नमाज होती है उसको जाए नमाज कहते हैं, नमाज की जगह. अब अगर नमाज नहीं है तो जगह कहाँ से आ जाएगी? ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ. हॉस्पिटल आपके सामने आ जाएगा, पेशेंट्स की बात हो रही है. हॉस्पिटल में कहूँ आप समझेंगे. अब
कसीनो की बात हो रही है, जुए की बात है.
हाँ बिल्कुल. तो अब मुसल्ला नमाज की जगह नमाज नहीं है, सर नमाज का तरीका कहाँ है? अभी मैंने कहा प्रैक्टिस है, कायम है. और इब्राहिम के मकाम से रब्बी जल्ली मुकीम सलाह, वो कहे मुझे सलात पे कर बताइए नमाजों को बताइए. वो कह रहे रब्बी जल्ली मुकीम समझ सलात पे कहा बेटा, मोमिन जरूरत थी, मेरी जरूरत से उनको सलात पे कहा और नमाज नहीं पता. एक अच्छी बात है भाई. So you know, if you want to just you write my name, if you anyone, Muhammad Shaikh, write down.
No, we'll check it.
Why you are afraid, brother? You are not Muslim, right? You are not Muslim. I speak Quran and you want to run away.
We have a schedule.
No, but I did write down my name.
No, we have got you in YouTube.
Okay,
We have got you in
thank you.
YouTube and we
Assalamu
will
alaikum.
listen to you.
And England,
Please tell me, video is on.
is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
You give me introduction that you listed in.
Well, I don't have a word. My English is not sufficient to
No problem.
put words about
You
you.
can you speak Urdu then?
Yeah,
What
we do
what
Urdu,
is it? Kaun sa asan hai?
Ji. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your live.
No problem. I like it. Just,
I'm very fortunate to meet my Shaikh, my Ustad.
Yeah.
I've been following him last 10, 12 years.
Subhanallah.
10, 12 years, honestly. I've watched a few other, this is the only gentleman, Shaikh Saab,
Yeah.
who actually, when he explained a particular subject,
Yes.
he focused on that subject.
Subhanallah.
Until he completed section, he doesn't leave. Yeah.
Only verses.
Yeah. And unless you listen to his complete session, don't be judgmental. Simple as
Subhanallah.
that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah. Brother, now you want
I don't have any words.
your daughters also. Come. We'll make a photograph with my family also.
Yeah,
because
you
she's
Allah, I'll be fortunate. Appa.
जी
Yeah, you want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah, come on.
So you come in the picture. We will take pictures.
We will take picture.
Okay.